Great tips about how to make money online that anyone can use. Making money online is a dream of many in this day and age. In truth, it is almost impossible to make money in any way without using the internet somehow. To learn a few tricks and tips about making money online, keep watching into the rest of this video for some pointers. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. As mentioned earlier, it is practically impossible to make money these days without the internet. Now it is also possible to make money just online. Use the tips, tricks and techniques you learned from this video to either start making money online, or start making more than you did before. Student loan.